There you go. Here. Who's gonna get the big rice? Oh, I don't think that's too heavy for the air. You get that, okay. Here, I'm gonna give you some money. Here's 100, 200, 300 pesos. You can get her tumbal.
Yes. Thank you, David.
Say hello to Jennifer. She's your sponsor. Say hello, Jennifer.
Hello, Jennifer.
Jennifer loves you. Did you know that? Isn't that nice?
Yes. Thank you, Jennifer.
Salamat kaayo, huh?
Salamat sa imong grasya nga gihatag kanamo. Thank you, Jack.
This is Tyrone?
Yes.
Well, you look pretty healthy, Tyrone. Okay. That's all for now. Sure.